Dongguan ChamRider Technology Company Limited is a leading high-tech enterprise specializing in the production and management of lithium batteries for electric bicycles. Our company integrates manufacturing and trading with multiple advanced lines and a team of highly skilled engineers, designers, and professional marketers. With a massive and adequate production capacity monthly, we are capable of providing customized solutions to global customers on a one-stop basis. Every ChamRider product that leaves our factory undergoes a stringent quality inspection process consisting of 8 professional steps, ensuring a 100% qualification rate. Furthermore, throughout our company's development, we have always adhered to the principles of innovation, safety, and environmental protection. As a result, we have obtained over 10 domestic and international patent and industry certifications. Our main product line includes various power batteries, such as electric bicycle batteries and motorcycle batteries. These products have been exported to over 40 developed countries and hotspots regions, including Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Russia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. As one of gold brand manufacturers under the Alibaba platform, we are continuously expanding our team. We are currently recruiting 200 agents worldwide, aiming to establish the presence of our ChamRider brand wherever there are electric bicycles. With our commitment to quality and innovation, we envision a future where ChamRider becomes a global household name.
ChamRider.